Mabait ako ngayon.
Good boy ka?
Yeah, good boy.
Niniwala ba kayong good boy to?
Fans.
Nakakatakot mo dito?
Kid when I was 22 years old. Wow. Yeah, but I'm happy. And where's Vanessa? Vanessa, here. Let's go. Hello. Hello. It's Vanessa. Can I come?
Yeah.
Okay. We are doing interview.
Okay.
Help me. I'm so.
Hey, bad person.
No.
You're here. Please do.
Professional.
Pa tayo magkasama.
Good ako ngayon. Good. Mabait ako ngayon.
Good boy ka?
Yeah, good boy.
Niniwala ba kayong good boy to? Nalukuin mo na naman si Vanessa. Jisoo,
Yes.
how's your experience here?
Oh, very good.
He's very, very nice, guys. Super bad. Diba?
Yeah. Mabait.
Mabait.
Okay.
Jisoo,
Yes.
very professional. Kind.
Tagalog, mabait.
Mabait. Ano ba professional? Professional.
Professional. Professional.
Very, and punctual. On time po siya.
Yes, yun. Maganda. Totoo yun.
Tapos,
On
lagi
time.
po siyang handa pagdating sa set.
Totoo.
Tapos, hindi niya po kami binibilan yet ng Korean food. Diba you're gonna buy us Korean food?
Sorry?
You're gonna buy us Korean food?
Yeah.
You promised, right?
Sure, yeah.
What Korean food will you buy for them?
Whatever she wants. Get it.
Oh, really?
What Filipino food would you like Jisoo to try?
He likes...
Sinigang.
You like adobo, right?
Yeah, adobo. Adobo, sisig,
Sisig.
lechon.
Lechon.
Yeah, the three one.
Parang half Pinoy na nga to eh.
Yes.
Tapos, what's your Tagalog word? If I say bye-bye, what do you say?
Ingat ka. Ingat ka.
And the food, do you like the food?
Yeah.
What's the food?
So here,
In Tagalog.
the food.
Hindi. Yum.
Yum. Masarap.
May suggestion po ba kayo kung saan siya pwede pumunta?
Oh, I'm sure. Saan pa? I told you should come to the other provinces. You've been to a lot of provinces.
Yeah, just Boracay, Batangas.
Boracay. Siyempre, Palawan.
Yeah, Palawan, Siargao.
Siargao.
One of the.
Camarines Sur.
Yeah.
A message po for the fans.
Nakakatakot mo dito?
Mga kapuso, ito na, kasama na namin ang inaabangan ninyo.
Opa.
Yes, Opa, isa sa mga Korean actors na talaga namang minamahal ng mga kababayan natin Pinoy. Kaya kasama na namin si Jisoo at abangan nyo ang magiging eksena namin tatlo. Jisoo, how about you?
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Ayan na.
Kamsahamnida!
Napakilala na natin siya.